number 3, we have Mercedes Owino. We have Abigail Motua, Tyrene Moshina, Wanjiru Shege, Mary Mamicha, Adalia Oweu. Hit 1 with 3 girls, Fatima Nasibu, Grace Owiti, and Daniela Christiana. This is Nasim Fatima.
For the other ones that I'm going to do for the future ones, I'm really preparing, and the other ones that are going to come, I'm really waiting for them to come.
So during the race, I developed a stench and it was so painful. But I just continued and I was surprisingly fast.
We are lucky to have the youngest being 4 years and oldest being 15 years, and they are all here to participate in this event. This is a very nice event. Preparing for Mombasa, we are going to Mombasa next weekend for mini Olympics, where athletics will be one of the events to be participating.